Morning, fifth class. How are you all? I hope you are fine at your home. So the children, this is your 12th chapter from English grammar, kinds of verb. So first we talk about the verbs. Verbs are also the action words. Verbs को हम action words भी कहते हैं, which is done by the nouns. जो कि noun के द्वारा होने वाले actions को हम क्या कहते हैं? Verbs कहते हैं. Now let's see the lesson spotlight. So in this chapter we will discuss about the verbs and kinds of verbs. So first we talk about the verb. A verb is a word which says something about a subject. यानी verb वो words होते हैं कि जो subject के बारे में कुछ information देते हैं या कुछ उसके बारे में बताते हैं. The boys are playing football. So the are and playing, here the verb. Are is a linking verb and playing is a action verb. So what is the action of a boys are here? So playing. So what the boys are doing? Boys are playing football. John hit Tom. So action of a John is here hit. John hit Tom. He writes. So these colored words are called verbs. जो यहाँ पर ये colored words है इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Verbs. Now let's see kinds of verb. There are three kinds of verb. Three types की verbs होती हैं. First is transitive verb, intransitive verb and the incomplete verb. So first we talk about the transitive verb. A verb which require an object after it to complete its sense is called a transitive verb. यानी वो verb जिनके आफ्टर हमें एक ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत होती है सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, उन्हें हम ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब कहते हैं. जस्ट सपोज द मैन किल्ड. सो दिस इज नॉट अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया कि व्हाट द मैन किल्ड. सो व्हाट इफ वी राइट द मैन किल्ड अ स्नेक. सो नाउ इट इज क्लियर द व्हेन to which what the man killed. So man killed a snake. So a snake is here an object. So without an object it is not a complete sentence. The same like in other sentences, the hunter shot. What shot? The hunter shot a tiger. A tiger is an object here in this sentence. So now it is complete. The hunter shot a tiger. The boy pulled what? The boy pulled the box. So in this sentence the verb alone do not make complete sense. Something must be added to each the complete sentence. यानी without an object it is not a complete sentence. तो हमें उस complete करने के लिए इसमें कोई ना कोई object की requirement है. जैसे कि the man killed. So what the man killed? So man can kill also a bird or snake. So now here the man killed a snake. So snake is an object here, or it could be something other. The man killed a bird. The man killed a lion. So यहाँ पर मतलब कुछ भी एक कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर हो सकता है, पर ऑब्जेक्ट का होना ज़रूरी है कि विदाउट ऑब्जेक्ट इट इज़ नॉट अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. So what did the man kills? A snake. What did the hunter shoot? A tiger. What did the boy pull? The box. So the word snake is called the object of the word killed. The word tiger is called the object of the verb shot. The word box is called the object of the pulled. Now second is intransitive verb. A verb which does not require an object to complete its sense but makes good sense by itself is called an intransitive verbs. यानी वो verbs जिन्हें किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती है सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करने में, वो अपने आप में ही क्या है? कंप्लीट सेंस, उनमें अपने आप में ही एक कंप्लीट सेंस निकलता है. Just suppose the sun shines. So shines here verb and it does not require an object to complete its sentence. The sun shines. The birds fly. Fire burns. The girl smiled. In these sentences the verb by themselves make good sense and do not require object after them to make complete sense, so they are called intransitive verb. So इन verbs को सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए किसी अदर वर्ड्स या किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, तो इन वर्ब्स को हम क्या कहते हैं, इंट्रांसिटिव वर्ब्स कहते हैं. नाउ इनकम्प्लीट वर्ब, such verb which do not make complete sense but require some words or word or words after them for this purpose are called verb incomplete prediction. तो जो verbs जो कि कंप्लीट नहीं होती हैं लेकिन उन्हें सेंटेंस उन्हें कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमें कुछ वर्ड या वर्ड्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, जिनको वर्ड या वर्ड्स को ऐड करने से वो सेंटेंस क्या होता है, कंप्लीट माना जाता है. द वुड कटर सीम्स टायर्ड, सो हेयर द टायर्ड इज अ वर्ब एंड इट नीड्स सम वर्ड्स टू कंप्लीट इट. द थीफ always lives in fear, so fear is a verb and it is also needs some words to complete the sense of this sentence. The girl became sad, so sad is a verb and it is also required some word or words to complete the sense of this sentence. The verb do not make complete sense by themselves. Something is added to each verb complete the sense, but these verbs do not require object after them to complete their sense. यानी ये verbs जो होती हैं इनमें हमें किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती है, बट इसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमें कुछ वर्ड्स को इसके साथ ऐड करना पड़ता है, तब इन सेंटेंस का सेंस जो होता है वो कंप्लीट माना जाता है. They require other word to complete the sense. So this verb is called incomplete prediction. So the children, chapter is completed here, and now the practice time. So you have to do this exercise 12.1. So underline the transitive verb in the sentence given below and encircle the object, and one is done for you. So she talked her mother on the phone. So whom she talked? She talked to her mother. So talked is a verb here and mother is an object. So driver must stop their car at the red light. So what the driver stop? Driver stop the car. So stop is a verb and cars is an object here. In the other sentence, the doctor asked the nurse to hurry up. So asked is a verb and nurse is an object. We watched the match on TV. So what do we watch on the TV? So we watched match on the TV. So watched is a verb and match is an object. We received a gift from our uncle in USA. So received is a verb and uncle is an object. Mother cooked dinner for all the guests. So cooked is a verb and guest is an object here. So the children, this work you have to do in your workbook, and if you don't have books, you can do this work in your notebook. And this is enough for today. The other work we will do in the next class. Till then, bye. Take care.